Check under the truck, make sure no oil or water leak. Truck is not leaning. If leaning means suspension problem. Windshield. No crack, always clean, securely mounted. Windshield wipers and wipers arms. Soft rubber, properly working, securely mounted, not cracked, not broken. Lights. Clearance light, signal lights, reflectors and headlights. No crack, always clean, no screw missing, no cover missing, orange color, properly working. Service and emergency lines. No cracks, no cuts, no leaks. Good connections both sides. Electrical line. No cracks, no cuts. Good connections both sides. Glad hands. No leaks, soft rubber, no bolt missing, securely mounted. Pigtail. Always in lock position, no bolt missing. Catwalk. No crack, always clean, no oil or garbage on it, securely mounted. Tractor frame and cross members. No cracks, no bends, no welds. No bolt missing, extra holes, securely mounted. Drive shaft. No cracks, no bends, securely mounted. Universal joint. Always greased, no bolt missing. Muffler and exhaust system from turbo. No cracks, securely mounted with straps. All clamps good tight, no leaks. If leaks, may see carbon on it. Diesel tank and cap. No cracks, no leaks. Securely mounted with straps. Always cap on it, no leaks around the cap. Footsteps. No cracks, always clean, no bolt missing, securely mounted. Doors. No crack, always clean, easy open, easy close. Door handles. No crack, no bolt missing, securely mounted. Door hangers. No cracks, no bolt missing, securely mounted. Door window. Always clean, easy down, easy up. Mirrors. No crack, always clean, securely mounted. Mirror frame. No cracks, no bends, no bolt missing, securely mounted. Front tires. ICD. Inflation, condition, depth. Inflation 110 psi. Check with air gauge. Condition. No cracks, no cuts, no leaks, no bubbles, always even. No recap front tires. Depth. Minimum depth 432 inches. No gap between tire and rim. Air valve. No cracks, no leaks, always cap on it. Rim. No cracks, no bends, no welds, securely mounted. Lug nuts and spacers. No crack, not broken, always tight, not missing. If loose, should be rust on it. Hub oil seal. No cracks, no leaks, oil on level, cap on it, no bolt missing. Brake chamber. No cracks, no leaks, securely mounted, all clamps good tight. Brake chamber hoses. No cracks, no cuts, no leaks, good tight connections both sides. Slack adjuster. No cracks, no bolt or parts missing. Push rod. Maximum play 2 inches. Brake drum. No cracks, no bends, securely mounted. Brake shoes inside. No cracks, always clean. No oil or grease between brake drum and brake shoe linings. Minimum thickness 1/4 inch. Suspension system. Leaf springs, no cracks, no bends, no welds, securely mounted. Leaf spring mounts, no cracks, always tight in right place. Leaf spring hangers, no cracks, no bends, no welds, all bolts good tight. U-bolts and spacers, always tight in right place, now weld. Shock absorber, no cracks, no bends, no welds, no bolt missing, securely mounted, no leaks. Engine, coolant tank, no crack, no bolt missing, coolant always on level, cap on it, securely mounted. Coolant tank hoses, no cracks, no cuts, no leaks, all clamps good tight. Alternator, no cracks, no bolt missing, wires good connection, power by belt. Water pump, no cracks, no leaks, no bolt missing, securely mounted, power by belt. Water pump hoses, no cracks, no cuts, no leaks, all clamps good tight. Power steering oil pump, no cracks, no leaks, securely mounted, powered by engine. Power steering hoses, no cracks, no cuts, no leaks, all clamps good tight. Belts, no cracks, no cuts, no tears, maximum play 3/4 inch. Air compressor and governor, no cracks, no leaks, securely mounted, powered by belt. Air compressor all hoses, no cracks, no cuts, no leaks, good tight connection. Engine oil, make sure it's always on level, use dipstick. Dipstick in lock position, no oil leak around. Steering shaft, no cracks, no bends, securely mounted. Universal joints, no bolt missing, always greased. Power steering oil reservoir, no cracks, no leaks, oil on level, cap on it, securely mounted. Power steering oil, all hoses, no cracks, no cuts, no leaks, all clamps good tight. Power steering gearbox, no cracks, no leaks, securely mounted. Pitman arm, drag link arm, steering arm, tie rod, and tie rod arm. No cracks, no bends, securely mounted. Caster nuts and quarter pins, always tight, in place, not missing. Truck back axle, back tires, same the front. The only difference is tread depth, minimum 232 inches. Recap is okay. Air pressure 100 psi and 2 wheels. Between the tires, no garbage or rocks. No gap between the rims. Rim, air valve, lug nuts and spacers, same as the front tires. Axle seal, no cracks, no leaks, oil on level, no bolt missing, securely mounted. Brake system, brake chamber, chamber hoses, slack adjuster, push rod, brake drum and brake shoes, same as the front brake system. Leaf springs, mounts, hanger, U-bolt and spacers, same as the front suspension system. Fifth wheel system, properly mounted, frame to frame, no bolt missing, all bolts good tight. Rail, no cracks, no bends, securely mounted. Platform, no cracks, no bends, securely mounted. Safety device, no cracks, good welds, not missing. Release arm and safety lock, always in lock position. Plate, no cracks, no bends, always greased. Apron, no cracks, no bends, always greased. No gap between plate and apron, should be always greased. Kingpin, no cracks, no bends. Locking jaw, always lock around the kingpin. Tail lights, no cracks, always clean, no screw missing, no cover missing, red color, properly working. Splash guards, no cracks, no bolt missing, should be 2 to 6 inches from the ground, securely mounted. Tractor frame and cross members, no cracks, no bends, good welds, securely mounted. Clearance lights and reflectors, no crack, always clean, properly working, orange color around the trailer. DOT tape, no cuts, always clean around the trailer. Tie down and hooks, no cracks, properly working, good weld around the trailer. Landing gear, no cracks, easy down, easy up, should be fully raised up. Landing gear shoes should be clean and flexible. Landing gear frame, no cracks, no bolt missing, securely mounted. Landing gear handle, always in lock position, no bolt missing. Toolbox, always in lock position. Back wheels on trailers. Tires, rim, air valve, lug nuts and spacers, same as the back tractor. Hub oil seal, same as the front tractor. Brake system, brake chamber hoses, slack adjuster, push rod, brake drum and brake shoes, same as the front brake system. Suspension system, leaf spring hangers, U-bolts and spacers, same as the front suspension system. Torque rod adjuster and sway bar, no cracks, no bends, good weld, securely mounted. Tail lights, clearance lights and reflectors, no cracks, always clean, no screw missing, no cover missing, red color, properly working. Splash guards, no cracks, no bolt missing, securely mounted, should be 2 to 6 inches from the ground. Right side, same as the left side. Inside inspection. Mirrors on both sides. make sure no crack, always clean, will adjust from inside tractor to trailer. Windshield, no crack, always clean, securely mounted. Windshield, wipers and washer, no crack, soft rubber, properly working, need to check. Seat belt, no cuts, no bolt missing, easy lock and unlock, seat belt good condition. Safety horn and highway horn properly working. Lights, high beam, low beam properly working. Turn signals, left and right side properly working. Hazard light properly working. Safe start engine, make sure it's a neutral gear. Parking brakes on. Press clutch pedal. Start engine. Release clutch pedal slowly. Oil pressure gauge, around 65 psi when driving. Water temperature gauge, not more than 200 Fahrenheit. Voltmeter gauge, always between 12 and 14 volts. Primary and secondary air pressure gauge, not more than 130 psi. Defroster, heater, make sure works properly. Fire extinguisher, fully charged, up to date, always in right place, securely mounted. Emergency kit, extra fuses, 3 reflector triangles. Turn off engine. Air brake test. Pop out test between 20 and 45 psi. Put in low gear. Release clutch pedal. Release parking brakes. Drop air pressure until pop out command. Pop out command in 25 psi, properly working. Put in neutral gear. Release clutch pedal. Next test is cut out test. Not more than 130 psi. Safe start engine. Look for needle to stop moving. Needle stop moving in 122 psi, properly working. Next test is cut-in test. Now less than 85 psi. Push brake pedal one time, wait 10 seconds. If needle didn't move up, push again and wait 10 seconds. Needle start moving up from 100 psi, properly working. Next test is low air pressure warning test, between 55 and 75 psi. Drop air pressure and look for warning lights to come on. Warning lights come on in 60 psi, properly working. Next test is leakage test. Build up air pressure. Air tank is full. Turn off engine. Put in low gear. Release clutch pedal. Release parking brakes. Push brake pedal. After needle stop moving, start 1 minute. Maximum leakage allowed is 4 psi in combination vehicle. One minute is done. No air leak. Properly working. Release brake pedal. Apply parking brake. Put in neutral gear. Next test is trailer and tractor parking brake test. Air pressure not less than 100 psi. Safe start engine. Build up air pressure. Put in low gear, release tractor parking brake and pull forward a little. Trailer does not move, properly working. Apply both parking brakes. Release trailer parking brake and pull forward a little. Tractor does not move, properly working. Next test is ABS and service brake test. Release both parking brakes. Pull forward 5 miles per hour and push service brake. Tractor is not going left or right side. Tractor is stopping. ABS light is off. Service brake and ABS working properly. Apply parking brakes. Put in neutral gear, turn off engine. My air brake test is done.